Here we have an eScan Plustek A280, and this one has problems with the Ethernet port. The first thing which happens if we press the standby button, right now we have the Ethernet working. The uplink works too, as you can see, it's blinking. Now we press this to get in a standby mode and wait until it's in standby. Now we turn it back on. And after it turns on, the Ethernet will not reconnect. As you can see, the Ethernet is now not connected. And the uplink of the gray cable is not working as intended. Even if we plug it out and plug it back in, it will not work. And as you can see here, it is blinking. So if we plug it out, plug it back in, no effect. If we pull it off, take the cable out, put the cable back in, this back in, start it. Usually it won't work unless you have it for 2 to 5 minutes offline without any connection to the AC adapter. So usually it's initializing and it either comes on with the Ethernet. You can see it at the moment it comes on. If it is off, it won't connect. If we keep on, as you can see, it's offline now. So this is the issue with this model. We tried doing the firmware updates. We tried doing a full reset. The issue persists, and it was since we got this item. This is the second time we're doing the RMA process, and we hope this will get either replaced or fixed. Thank you.